Hi guys, welcome back. At this fantastic day, we are going to learn a phrasal verb is mope around. I'm Ithaya, this is Literary Taste Club. The meaning of this phrasal verb mope around is moving one place to another place without any particular purpose. Because you are unhappy or disappointed, especially you feel sorry for yourself. How does the word appear in a sentence? In present tense, I, you, we, they, it appears as mope around, and he, she, it appears as mopes around, and present participle, it appears as moping around, and past tense and past participle, the same word appears as moped around. Okay, let's have an example. He was driving me crazy, moping around the house all day. For another example from this, you could understand the exact meaning of the word. Instead of moping around the house all day, you should be out there looking for a job. இப்படி வெட்டியை வீட்டை சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதாவது வேலைக்கு போகலாம்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அதோட மீனிங் தான். I hope you could understand this word right now. Okay. We are in the edge of the session and I want to know how far do you have get along the word. Let me know you with your great examples. Leave them in comment section. I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.